Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you on how to crochet a star stitch. This is the front and this is the back. It is made up of 2 rows and repeat. This is a beautiful stitch and it is not as difficult as it looks. To make a star stitch, we are going to begin by making a slip knot. And make a foundation chain in any even numbers. I'm going to make a chain of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To start off on the second chain from hook, 1, 2, that's this one, insert, pull through. And we are going to do the same on the next 4 chains. One, 2, 3, 4. Now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 6 loops. 1 chain, and this creates an eye. This is the first star stitch. The next star stitch goes by insert into the eye, which is the 1 chain space, pull through, insert into the last loop of the previous stitch, pull through, then insert into the last chain in the previous stitch, pull through, and insert into the next 2 chains. Now that we have 6 loops, and we are always working with 6 loops, yarn over, pull through, 1 chain. Again, insert into the eye, the 1 chain space, insert into the last loop of the previous stitch, insert into the last chain in the previous stitch, insert into the next 2 chains. 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through 6 loops, 1 chain. Repeat this all the way until the end, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, I just did my last star stitch. In the same chain, place a half double crochet. And round 1 is complete. To begin the next round, 1 chain and turn. Place a half double crochet into the first stitch. That's this one here. And place a half double crochet into the eye. On the next eye, place 2 half double crochet. One more into the same stitch. 2 half double crochet into the next eye. 2 half double crochet. So on this round, we're placing 2 half double crochet into every eye, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, I place 2 half double crochet into the last eye, and place a half double crochet into the chain stitch here. And to begin the next round, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and turn. And this is going to be the repeat of round 1. Insert into the loop on the second chain. Insert into the loop on the third chain. Then insert into 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through 6 loops. 1 chain. And continue this round by making star stitches. On the following round will be a half double crochet round. So repeat round 1 and round 2 to complete your project. You see, it is not as difficult as it looks. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!